Alright, so as you guys saw, turbo blew yesterday, or at least I think it blew. So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to check it out, take apart a few things. The turbo's like back in that corner, so I'm going to have to do it all from the bottom. So I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see what I'm doing, but I'll try and film it. And first step is going to be just checking the ends for shaft play. I should be able to tell if it's good or bad without taking out the car, and then I will probably be taking out the car too. We'll see. And we might try a few car products on Pete's rims, see how well they do. So you guys will get to see that too. And we'll begin now. Alright, so I found the issue. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but the turbo is like, it's spitting oil right out the exit, or spitting something out the exit. So I don't know about you, but it seems like that's kind of good to go. I'm not quite sure. But I'm going to put one of the pipes back on and see if it makes some boost. So, I don't know. Weird. Alright, I guess we'll see what she does now. Just hooked up that boot again. seems like she's all right now. I guess I'll put my exhaust back on. We'll go for a little ride and see if she messes up again. I don't know. Very strange though. All right, I put the whole thing back together, and I hate to say it, but I don't think that I have any turbo. It sounds kind of like a dentist drill when I rev it up. I'm not making boost, so I'm gonna stop working on it for today. I'm gonna spend some time with my family, being Mother's Day and all. Got Uncle back, who you've met him before. You saw him in the video where Blue the Turbski. So I'm gonna go do that and buy a new turbo, and you guys get to see me swap turbos. So that should be pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, and catch you next time.